Are you looking for the best router bit sets? In this video, we will break down the top 4 router bit sets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Hiltech's 10100 Tungsten Carbide Router Bits. This router bit set is suitable for high cutting edges. The bits are developed from sharp tungsten carbide steel for accurate and clean cutting at every stroke. Each of the bits is encased within a bearing roller to allow smoother, aligned operation. All bits contain the universal shank of 1/4 inch to make it fit for any router model. The bits are labeled with their respective type and image attached to the wooden case for easier portability and storage. Besides, the bits have excellent head resistance to allow flawless cutting on any type of wood. The remaining portion of the bit is constructed with heavy steel to make it long-lasting. Overall, this bit set is fit for grooving, trimming, edging and more to achieve any woodworking project for carpenters as well as DIYers. At number 2. Bosch RBS010 Router Bit Set. This set comes with general-purpose profiles in 1/2 and 1/4 inch shanks. They're built for excellent wear resistance, with highly sharpened blades for a smooth finish, and can be used on many common board sizes. Made from tempered steel, produce few vibrations, good edge retention. The 10-piece set is an all-purpose set for the professional woodworker. It has a great variety of the most popular carbide-tipped bits in an elegant storage case. High-quality micrograin carbide tips that are precision ground provide superior wear resistance and sharp edges for the best finish. Improved hardness, uniformity and shank and body resist breakage. 1/2 inches. Shank bits give greater stability and LEDs vibration during use, and 1/4 inches. Shank bits are more ideal for thin profiles. At number 3. HQ Master CNC Router Bits. These bits own sharp edge which is able for fast engraving that makes high efficiency, durable, high precision, and not easy to break. It is smokeless and burr-free while processing. Its cutting edge diameter, 1/8 inches, 3.175 millimeters. Cutting edge length/flute length, 17 millimeters. Overall length, 38.5 millimeters. The design of flutes, larger spiral chip space of CNC router bit makes non-stick crumbs, smooth cutting, and fast chip removal. 10 pieces solid carbide spiral up-cut bits assorted in storage case. At number 4. Freud Straight Bit Set. This 13-piece set includes a great selection of bits, so you can test the durability of Freud products for yourself. These bits are intended for handheld or table-mounted portable routers. The bits are tipped in a long-lasting carbide titanium material that was created and patented by Freud. This material offers more durability, ensuring that these bits last through many woodworking projects. Each bit is also computer balanced to limit vibration and chatter. They also feature tri-metal brazing and an anti-kickback design. These details help make this one of the top sets of bits available. However, the bits are worth every penny. You get high-quality router bits that can withstand heavy-duty applications and regular use,